Boom, baby. Woo! It's your boy, Fitz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Google Docs so that way you won't ever lose your history ever again. Let's get to it, baby. So, first thing you want to do is jump over here to Google Docs and open up your document. When you're in here, you want to hit extensions, hit add-ons, get add-ons. That's going to take you to the extension store. You're going to search in the apps for ChatGPT and hit enter. Now, there's several tools, but this is the one we're going to look for. GPT for Google Sheets and Docs. It's got over 1 million downloads. So we're going to hit that bad boy. And then it's going to say you got to install it. Now it's going to ask you for some permissions, and we're going to walk through and give it the permissions that it needs. And we're going to choose the email address. And it's just saying it wants to do these things. And so we're going to allow it. Now, it's telling us that we got to add some other stuff to it. So we're just going to look through these things next. And I'm going to walk you through the setup. So we're going to hit done. All right. Now that it's installed, we come to the extensions and we come down here, GPT for Sheets and Doc. It's going to ask you, we got to set our API key. So we're going to click set API key. And now I'm going to leave the link to where you got to go to. So we're going to go to it's platform.openai.com, and you're going to hit your account and then view API keys. You're going to create a new secret key. It's going to be generated. Then you're going to copy it to the clipboard. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go back over to our Google Docs, and we're just going to hit there and paste our API key. We're going to check it. It's valid, and we're going to save it as such. And so now we have it connected. Now the next thing we have to do is come back to extensions and come down to GPT for Sheets and Docs. And now we're going to launch the sidebar. You see down here it's working. And so now we have over here everything just like in normal Chat GPT. You're going to type your prompt here. And we're going to say, act like a world-class marketing, M-A-R-K-E-T, expert, E-X-P-E-R-T, and give me 5 pieces of 5 P-I-E. Give me 5 topics for YouTube Shorts with the topic of lead, G-E-N-E-R-A-T-I-O-N, lead generation. All right. So we want to act like a world-class marketing expert and give me 5 topics for YouTube Shorts with the topic of lead generation. And then you come down here and you hit submit. And then it's going to do its thing. And just like that, here you are, 5 proven lead generation strategies for small businesses, how to create a lead magnet that converts like crazy, the top 3 lead generation tools every marketer should know about, the do's and don'ts of lead generation. So it gave us 5 topics, just like regular Chat GPT. And now it's already in a Google Doc. It's saved for us. And just like regular GPT, you can now go in and say, all right, I like number 2. Can you expand on that and give me 3 30-second SEC 3 30-second scripts. I could go deeper, but that's what we're going to start with and leave it right there. Hit submit. Now it's doing its thing. And I'm going to pause it and come back to it. Boom. So it's then gave us 3 30-second scripts for our content, just like regular GPT would have done. Look, what do you think about that? I like it. I'm going to do a next video on another video on how to connect Google Sheets to ChatGPT, because I'm ready to get to this thing. Look, leave a message below if you got any questions. Let's get to this money. Woo!